Okay, this is some big outrage for you. Two students in New Jersey landing in hot water over a button featuring Hitler Youth. The students protesting a school uniform policy. Apparently, the school threatened to suspend the kids last fall, but a judge later ruled it's okay for them to wear the buttons. So where do you draw the line between free speech and hate speech, especially in your kids' schools? Joining us now, attorney Robert Cartwright. He is the former president of the Consumer Attorneys of California.
Well, I think that this judge didn't find this particular button to be anti-Semitic. Instead, this judge found this to be protected political speech. And in our country, kids do not have to give up their constitutional right under the First Amendment to free speech to have a right to go to public school and get a free education. They do not give that up at the steps of the school. And that's been consistently held since 1969 when kids wore black armbands to school protesting the Vietnam War. And a series of decisions since then have made it very difficult for schools to have an outright dress code as they did in this case. This particular pin depicted boys dressed similarly in ties and shirts. It happened to be from the Nazi youth movement, and the message there is that it's bad to have this conformity. That's a political expression whether you agree with it or not. It's our intuitive belief that we should regulate how kids dress in schools, and I think that there have been studies that document that there's some benefit, and schools can do it if the policies are properly written and not too overbroad. There's a little girl going to court right now for wearing Winnie the Pooh socks at a public school, and she's been disciplined at her school, and that's ridiculous.
That is ridiculous.
So the schools can regulate, if they do so properly. Religious speech and political speech are protected. The content of this particular button, while it may be offensive because it relates to Nazi Germany, the expression behind it was that conformity, when it's imposed by an authority, is bad.